channel. Thank you so much for coming back for my second video. For those of you who haven't seen my first video, I'll make sure to have that link down in the description box for you below. Today's video, I'm going to be doing another clean and unpack with me. My first video was a clean and unpack with me and I did our kitchen, but today I'm going to be doing our living room. And I say living room because this is currently not our living room right now. We have our living room set up in another section of the house currently, but we decided after being here for about a couple of months and getting a feel for the space that we are going to make this room the living room. I didn't know if I wanted to make this room the living room or not because I wasn't too in love with the entertainment center, but I figured out some things, a couple things I'm gonna get from Amazon to spruce it up a little bit. So I'm going to be doing a video on that for you guys. But as you guys can tell, the entertainment center behind me is an absolute mess, and I've already cleaned this room twice. First time I cleaned this room was right when we moved in, and I kind of unpacked, but not really. I have our drawers and stuff filled up, but underneath you'll see that I have a lot of boxes and stuff I just put away and I didn't bother looking at them anymore. But it's actually time to get those unpacked because some of them have my decoration in them. And the second time I cleaned it, it was after my birthday party. My family came down and we had so much fun, and we actually ended up popping confetti inside the house right here in this living room. I'll actually insert a clip right here in for you guys so you guys can see how much of a complete mess it was. I had to pick all of it up by myself. I'm gonna go ahead and get this room ready for all that we have to do here this weekend, the flipping over and everything. Yeah, definitely don't forget to hit the like button before you leave and subscribe to me so you guys don't miss all the fall videos I'm going to be posting here on my channel in the future. And I definitely would love for you guys to go ahead and join my little family of 18 subscribers. But yeah, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. Girls, I I'm starting off by cleaning out our junk drawer. We've only been here for 2 months and we already have a male junk drawer already. I'm really bad when it comes to throwing out junk mail. Sometimes every time I go check the mail, I just look at it and put it in that drawer and don't look at it for a while unless it's a bill. And then when I go look at it a month or two later, it's just a big old mountain of paper and mess. Yeah, I should probably invest in a shredder sometime here in the near future, or this is just always going to be a mess. So luckily for me, the second drawer wasn't as bad because I unpacked a box in there about a couple weeks ago. So I already arranged that drawer to the way I actually wanted it to be. So all I needed to do was just push some things back into their right corners. And then I was able to go ahead and start the big decluttering process of this entertainment center. Okay, so I know what y'all are thinking. If you're supposed to be decluttering it, then why are you adding more things onto the countertops? I'm like really weird when I'm cleaning. Like I don't clean on one specific place at once. I like literally bounce around the whole room and I'll get every little section until it's clean. I know that's weird. Usually people clean, like they start on one thing, they finish that one area, and they go on to the next area. I'm not like that. Like, as you can see, I was able to see that the closet was really cluttered, and half the things that were on the entertainment center were supposed to go in the closet. So then my mind was just like, okay, I have to take care of this closet first in order to clean the entertainment center. So that's why you see me going ahead and jumping away from the entertainment center and going to clean the closet instead.
Okay, y'all, so here is where the real work begins. Unpacking, unpacking, unpacking. Am I the only one who hates unpacking, packing, moving in general? I just don't like it. I can't wait to be a homeowner. That way I know I don't have to move again for a while unless we're just buying another house. But yeah, something about moving and renting a home, I just don't like it reminding you that this is just temporary and not where you're meant to be forever. I can't wait to have my own forever space, forever home. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and work on these boxes. A lot of the things that were in these boxes were decorations I either would use seasonally on our fireplace in our old home. Our last two homes, we did have a fireplace. This home sadly does not have a fireplace. So I don't really know what I'm going to do in that aspect. I have been looking at some wall-mounted fireplaces to put in that weird gap section in the middle of it, as you guys can see. So yeah, I've been looking at a couple of things on Amazon to just try to liven up this section a little bit, make it look more homey, more my style, more my taste. I decided to make the right side cabinet section of the entertainment center my candle holder slash vase holder cabinet. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and organize everything real nice and neat in there. That way, whenever I need to go ahead and find a vase for some flowers or just find some candles I need to burn, it will just be really easy for me to go ahead and just go under there and pick one out. Now that I'm finally done doing everything but decluttering the entertainment center, we're gonna go ahead and get into that portion. I'm just gonna go ahead and organize a lot of these decorations in the closet and put some of them away elsewhere. At first, when we first moved into this house, I thought it was a little weird to have this closet in the living room, but now that I realize it's just more room and more space and storage for me to keep all of my decoration in. So yeah, I've actually found a newfound love for this closet. entertainment center cleared off and decluttered, I'm just gonna go ahead and move on to my computer desk. And I know what you guys are probably thinking right now, sis, why is this plastic still on your monitor? I've had this computer for 2 years, you guys, and I've yet to remove the plastic on my monitor or my keyboard, and I am not ashamed because my computer still looks brand new. There's not a scratch on my keyboard. There's not anything missing. So yeah, my fiance hates it, but I actually think it's the best thing to do. Am I the only one who does that? Let me know down in the comments below if you still like to keep your plastic on your new appliances or your new TVs or your new laptops or even your cell phone, so I don't feel bad and think that I'm just the only person who does that. So while organizing the closet, I did realize a couple of marks, scuffs, and stains on there that I just wanted to see if I can get rid of it real quick with this magic eraser and this spray from Dollar Tree. You guys, this awesome spray from Dollar Tree is the best thing to clean with. It's really one of the only things I usually use to clean when I have to do a deep cleaning. This stuff gets everything and anything out, and you pair it with that magic eraser like I did on this door, everything's completely gone. I was actually surprised to realize that the door was a lot more dirtier than I thought it was. To figure out which one of these paintings I want hung on this wall. That way when Corey gets home, he can just go ahead and hang it up for me. I can't hang up wall art for the life of me. They always end up looking crooked, so I just let him handle all of that aspect as far as the move-in. And I decided to go with this deer painting, and it's absolutely one of my favorite paintings. I've had it for I think about 3 years now, and cool story behind it. It was actually painted by my fiance's aunt, and she painted it for his father, which is her brother, of course. And I absolutely love decorating my home with pieces that have a story or a memory, or just that I feel has love behind it, and it's just been passed down over the generations. and putting some temporary decor pieces on the entertainment center for now, and I'm using these beautiful antique candle holders that were given to me by my mother-in-law, as well as these beautiful elephant bookends that were given to us by a family friend. They're actually from Africa, which is why he decided to pass them down to us. And of course, you can't forget to put in a fall candle to bring in the fall season. So yeah, I actually did end up adding a couple more things onto the entertainment center because I felt like it still was missing a little va-va-voom. So for now, that's just what I have going on it, just until we decide to decorate for fall. Alright guys, that is it for my Clean With Me fall preparation. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to come back so you can see all the great fall decor videos and other great things I have in store for my channel in the future. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button on your way out. And don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and leave me a comment down below letting me know how you enjoyed this video. And I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.